Hi, in this video, I want to be showing you 3 free mind mapping tools that you can use if you're having troubles explaining complicated concepts, or if you want to organize your workflow for more productivity, or if you're just a student that just want to organize your notes so you can help remember your subject matter. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the very first one is called Micro. And it's basically what they like to call it, an online collaborative whiteboard platform that brings teams together everywhere. So it's an online whiteboard that everyone can use. It's free, but the main function I like to use is the mind mapping tool. So when you sign up, this is what they'll ask. They'll ask you what is your role, and you can scroll down. I'm gonna pretty much say I'm just going to put like students. And have you ever used visual tools before? I've used some, but show me the basics. All right, and then you just click setup and continue. And since it's a web-based tool, there's nothing to install. You just basically have to sign up with your email address and input your occupation or your use and how well you're good, how much mind mapping tools. And then from here, hey, I've been getting a lot of questions again. I've mentioned in another video how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate my channel and to save time while building traffic. So hey, if you're interested in how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate a lot of your work and to build traffic, I'll put a link in the description and it will take you to the course where you can see how I do that. It's just there for people who are interested, so let's get on with the video. They'll show you a whole bunch of different clean, really nice templates that you can use and you can pick from. So you got meetings and workshop, you got planning, project kickoff, the way we work. So you got smart meetings and news. And then you got reverse brainstorming, brain writing, agile flows. And then this is the one I really like, the mind mapping and diagram. But I'm going to continue to show you what other things they have. They got research and design, strategy and planning. They got popular, these are the popular ones, and building blocks. Then they got community templates and icebreakers. I'm going to go with the mind mapping. And from here, I just click on expand, and you can see all the templates they have. As you can see, this is no slouch. It has a lot of different templates just for mind mapping alone. All right, so I prefer this one right here, and you can go ahead and preview it, and then you can go ahead and expand. Let me show you what it looks like. I like this interface. It's pretty clean. You can go ahead and drag it out here, and then if you want to get out, you click escape, and you could either use a pre-filled one or you can use a blank template. I'm going to try the pre-filled one. And basically you can just click on it and change out the text. DIY tools. And then use cases. I don't know, maybe a drill. And if you like something, you can always add more to it here. Or if you, let's see, UX, and if you don't, you can just simply click it and click delete. It's very intuitive. They have a demo here that you can go ahead and check out, but let me skip completely. I pretty much just dive right into it. Most of the tools that I'm about to show you is pretty much the same functionality. You just click on something to edit the text, delete it to take it out, or click on the plus icon to add something, and that's mainly it. You can also change the color if you like, so you can go from purple to blue. Yep, so it changes that. There's lots of different customization options. I like this tool because it's a very clean interface. It's not distracting. It doesn't try to be something that's I don't know, super premium. It has enough features for you to kind of use and grow into, so from basic to maybe mid-level, and not enough tools that you get like paralyzed because it's overload. Like some of the other tools that I've seen. It's just like, buttons and dials all over the place, and you can't even see the screen. Does it, so I like how it does the job. So, and lastly, you can't really argue against the price. So that's Micro. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out. Then we can move on to the next mind mapping tool. It's called MineUp. All right, and they have a intro video here, and basically they show you the best use cases. So they basically say why use MineUp. You got a powerful keyboard shortcuts that speed up the work. They have a nice interface. You can convert the mind maps into PDF and PowerPoint outlines. So that's a pretty cool feature. This one is pretty cool because not everyone likes to use a mind map or read a mind map. Some people kind of get, I guess, scared about mind map. It's kind of overwhelming, or it's new, and then you have to explain how it works. So maybe if you're a mind map person, that's great, and your colleagues are outline people or PDF or PowerPoint, then you can go ahead and convert it into these formats without having to do any extra work. Or you can do it the other way around. All right, so you can take your outline and convert it into a mind map. All right, so then you can publish and you can share your mind map. So it's a collaborative function, and you can save it to Google Drive and Google Apps. All right, and then if you go down, you'll see what the free account has. So it has unlimited number of maps. You don't need a account, so you don't have to log in. That's amazing. A lot of people, or a lot of softwares will require you to have a credit card, an email address, your phone number, first, last name, and all this crazy personalized information. And I like the fact that they don't request that here. It makes it easy to use, easy to try, stress and hassle free. Next is you can save your maps up to 100 KB or kilobytes to MineUp storage, and it lasts for 6 months. Let's see. You can save the larger map to Google Drive. You can export it. You can publish your maps for up to 6 months, and you have a community chat. Then if you want to upgrade, it's like $3 a month. And what I see is you have a dedicated email help, and you can save larger maps. Okay, so let me just show you how that works. So you go to MineUp. You simply just go into create a free map, no login required, and it takes you directly to the interface. I love that. From here, you have the first bubble they started off, the main topic you want to talk about and focus on. So you press space or double click to edit. I'm going to click space, and then from here I'm just going to put my first topic, dog walking. Okay, done. And then from here you can go ahead and insert child, insert root mode. I'm going to insert child. Dog walking, dog toys. Let's see, dog chain. All right, so things that you might use with the dog walking. You might use let's see, a dog toy. Okay, and you get the idea. So from here I can expand this as well. I can maybe I could either write another dog walking, maybe let me see, dog walking, dog shoes, or I can expand this out. Let's see, dog rope, we call leash. I think that's how you spell it. All right, so that's how it's used. I love this because it's flat. It jumps directly in. There's no click this, demo, tour, walkthrough. It just throws you right in there, and it's very, very easy to use. I love how you have no email address. This is great for explaining complicated concepts. If you're on a webinar, if you're teaching a course, this is perfect for that. You don't have to you don't even need the hassle of logging into anything. You just open it up and start creating away, and then when you're done, you can just go ahead and publish and share it with your class. So that's MineUp. I'll leave a link in the description, so please check it out if you're interested. And let me show you the last free mind mapping tool. It's called GetMind, and this one is a downloadable one. All right, and oops. And then from here, you can simply check out the different templates they have. They have a lot of cool templates. So let me show you this one right here. You just double click it, and you can see, oops, what it's like. It has the main topic and then the sibling topic, central theme, so on and so forth for both sides. It looks like kind of like a back to school look. I like it. It looks more, I guess, nice looking compared to the other ones, and it looks a bit more interactive compared to the other ones. The only thing I don't really like is that you have to download it in order for it to work. And I'm more of a fan of web-based tools because you're not limited by your hardware if you use a web-based tool. All right, but I wanted to put all three options available, and so you guys and girls can check it out. And if it helps you, it helps you. If you found this video helpful, could you please hit the like button, as it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.